Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 23rd November 2024. SEBI has notified the SEBI buyback of securities Second Amendment Regulations 2024. A new provision has been inserted relating to the conditions and requirements for the buyback of shares and specified securities. It states that if any member of the promoter or promoter group has declared its intention not to participate in the buyback, the shares held by such member of the promoter or promoter group must not be considered for computing the entitlement ratio. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, through its Committee on Career Counselling, signed a MOU with the Department of Skill Education, Central Board of Secondary Education or CBSE, to promote commerce-based skill courses for students across the country. The partnership aims to foster cooperation between ICAI and CBSE to advance commerce-oriented skills, specifically in the BFSI sector. The prime focus will be on enhancing the skills and employability of students through specialized courses designed to align with industry requirements. ICAI will provide expert inputs on course content, syllabus development, study materials, training modules, and career guidance. SEBI has notified the SEBI bankers to an issue Amendment Regulations 2024. As per the amended norms, SEBI has expanded the scope of activities carried out by banker to an issue. These activities now include providing escrow services for the purpose of issue management, delisting, buyback or open offer and other activities specified by the board. Further, a person must not act as a banker to an issue unless a certificate of registration has been obtained from the board. Zepto announced that the consumer internet company has raised a funding of $350 million in its latest round, marking the largest 100% domestic fundraise in India's startup ecosystem. The round it added included investments from Indian HNIs, family offices, and financial institutions. The fundraise was led exclusively by Motilal Oswal's private wealth division. The funding comes just 3 months after Zepto had secured $340 million from investors led by General Catalyst at a valuation of $5 billion. The investment was an extension of the funding round, as part of which Zepto garnered $665 million from investors in June. The Employees Provident Fund Organization will soon relax rules to allow more private banks and agent banks to collect provident fund from establishments and deposit them with the retirement fund body, thus enhancing the ease of doing business for companies, ease of living for its subscribers, and enabling more direct collection for the retirement fund body, which will result in faster funds transfer.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.